Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's had a great start to the new year. I'm feeling quite motivated. This is gonna be my second video in the space of a month, so I think I'm on a roll. For this video, as you can see, I've already done the rest of my face and I've not done any eyeshadow because I have the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and I found a dupe, Miaool, I think that's how you say it. These are the colors, which are identical to the Huda Beauty. They've already been swatched, but these are the shades. This palette, the fake, I don't want to call it the fake because it's kind of mean, but it is the fake really, because this is definitely ripping off this one. Let's call it the spring palette. They both have similar cardboard packaging, however the spring palette is just a little larger than the Huda Beauty palette. Here you can see the colours, which are virtually identical. The only difference I can see is that the orangey peach shade in the Huda Beauty is a lot more vibrant. So I thought it would be fun to do an eye look, one eye with the Huda Beauty, one eye with the spring palette, and see which one turns out better. So you can tell that my theme is pretty pinky, like I've got the pink cat ears. I think I'm gonna go with a pink vibe. I don't know if on the camera it's gonna translate as my left eye, it might be my right eye, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do the hood on this side. I'm gonna start off with this orangey shade with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. It was literally one dip. So I do think that the pigments in this palette are quite decent. And I've already concealed my lids with the Colourpop concealer. So yeah, just gonna blend that right into the inner portion of my eye. These blend out really easily, really nicely. And it's not patchy at all. This orange shade, ooh, this one has a little bit more fallout. It's definitely not as pigmented, like there's nothing on my eye. There is just nothing on my eye. I'm gonna try and build it up to the same intensity as the other eye, just to give it a fair shot. So I'm just going to continue blending that and adding more shadow. I mean, it is building up, but it's taken about 5 layers and it's definitely not the same color. This one is a lot deeper in like the orangey peach shade. Like this one has more of a gradient, and that's when you know a color blends well, because it kind of does the work for you. I'm gonna take this neon pink shade. There is a bit of fallout on this one as well. You can see it gathering at the bottom here. Carry that down here. As you can see, like that is pigmented, like look at that, and it's building so nicely using this hot pink shade. Ooh, again we got some fallout. It's definitely gone into the yellow. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. I need to tap off the excess because it's quite a lot. Okay, that hot pink is pigmented. I have to go back in for a little more.
And a little more. And a little more.
It is building up, like these shadows build up, but you have to use a lot more of them. And also you can clearly see a difference, and you really can't tell too much of a difference between the peach and the pink. When I started this video, I honestly had really high hopes for this palette. Like, I want it to be a dupe because this cost around £3 and Huda Beauty is £25, so this is 1/7 of the price, something along those lines. And the pigment is decent, but honestly for like 1/7 of the price, I am impressed. Back into the Huda palette, I'm gonna take this kind of red shade. There is a bit of fallout, like that being said, like when these shades are on the eye, there's not too much of a difference between them. All three of these shades kind of look the same. Seriously, look at my eye. They kind of look the same. I thought the red would be a lot deeper. I mean, they pack on well. But again, it all kind of looks like the same color. Taking the red shade. Okay. It's not bad. I am just stamping it on. I'm not blending, I'm stamping because I want like a strong color payoff. But as you can see again, the red, it just kind of really merges into the other colors and there's really not much of a difference, which kind of makes me sad. If you're gonna pay £25 for a palette, you want your shades to look different. It just kind of puts it into perspective, really. I'm all about affordable makeup just because I'd rather spend my money on flights, and because you can have great makeup and you can travel and eat at nice places and buy a house and all that stuff, instead of just buying loads of expensive makeup. I mean, if that's your thing, that's your thing, but I would rather be catching flights and have my face looking beat for half the price. I am just gonna cut the crease with some concealer. I never really cut my crease, so this is a bit different for me. Just because my eyes are hooded and you can never really see when I do a cut crease anyway, because once I have my lashes on and blah blah blah, yeah, you really can't see it. So I just think, why should I go through the extra effort of cutting it if no one's gonna see it? This purple shade. Ooh, got a nice amount on that brush. And wrong eye. There you go on this side. No, that was not meant to happen. No, look, you can see so much fallout. Shimmer shades are like the one kind of eyeshadow that are not supposed to have fallout. Like, okay, that is a banging shade, but giving me fallout, and I didn't put extra translucent powder under my eyes, so I don't know what the hell is gonna happen. Oh my god, there's so much fallout with a shimmer shade. What? I'm just gonna pat that on. Oh my god, that comes out so much better. Can you see that? Okay, the trick to these is to use your finger. Using the purple shade on this side. Okay, right off the bat, this one has so much less fallout. Considering the mattes in this had so much fallout, the shimmers are performing really well. And if I didn't know any better, I would say they look exactly the same. Okay, I'm just gonna this on my finger And just pop. Oh my god, this is exactly the same as the Huda ones. Shimmers in general, I find like when you use your finger it looks so much better. Tell me that you can see a difference between this purple and this purple. Comment below because I really can't. I may have just blocked the camera, which is so silly of me. Okay, that kind of looks popping. So just taking that red shade and just like blended it in. Like this side looks just a lot messier. I'm gonna take that orange shade that we took first and sweep it along the under eye, like so. Ooh, got some pigment. And I like it all to connect, so I'm connecting it up here. Taking a small brush again with the orange. But it's just not gonna have that same intensity. Like, I'm just gonna take that red shade again from the Huda palette, pop it underneath just to tie it all in. Okay, so I'm doing exactly the same with the spring palette. These palettes don't have an inner corner highlight, so I'm gagging to use this light blue shade. It is freaking gorgeous. So I'm gonna use it on my inner corner highlight and see what the hell happens. Ooh, it looks good. I like it. Tempted to just like go in with my finger, my pinky, because otherwise it goes crazy and it goes everywhere. Okay, I kind of like that. I'm taking it from here. I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner on this side. I'm just gonna pop it on with my finger. Oh my god, it's insane. This mascara is insane. Okay guys, so I've got my mascara on and this is the final look. It's not something I would usually do. It's way more colourful and this is completely out of my comfort zone, but I think it turned out quite nice. What I can say about the two palettes is that they are so similar. Obviously, the Huda Beauty is at a higher price point, so the pigmentation is a little better. That being said, you do get some fallout with it. I'd say with the shimmer shades you get a lot of fallout, whereas in contrast, the Miaool palette, spring palette, that palette you get a lot of fallout with your mattes. They're not as pigmented, but they do build up. However, your shimmers are amazing. They don't have any fallout. They're really pigmented. They look identical to the Huda Beauty ones. And considering the price point, £3, £25. Again, like if you want a closer look, I'd say the Huda Beauty eye. It is more pigmented. Colors are more vibrant and they blend better. Whereas these ones, I mean, the shades, they blend well. However, it's just not as vibrant as the Huda Beauty side. For the price point, the spring palette is totally worth it. I'd say this would be a really good dupe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like and a thumbs up and join the family by subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.